everyone. Is double tap to wake not working on your Android phone? Don't worry, here are some quick fixes you can try. Step 1. Restart your phone. Now restart your phone. A simple reward can fix small gesture glitches. Step 2. Clean the screen. Wipe your skin with a soft cloth. Dust or dirty screen can affect touch detection. Step 3. Remove screen protector. If you're using a thick or damaged screen protector, try removing it. Sometimes it blocks touch gestures. Step 4. Update software. Now go to settings, software update, and install any available updates. Bugs can affect gesture features. And that's it. Double tap to wake should work now. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more easy Android tips.